Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Well, today I've got a very small project. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sand this down and repaint it and then re-clear it. This little piece of trim right here, for whatever reason, the clear coat has failed on it. The other side's okay, but it's just this side. So I'm wondering if I can actually just pull this off, which would be a lot easier. I only have just a little bit of this matched paint left, so I'm going to go ahead and use the rest of it. And the truck's a little wet right now because it's been raining, but I'm going to see if I can pull this off without breaking it, and if I can, great. If not, I'll just tape it off in place. So first thing I'm going to do is dry off the area and see if I can get it off. Stay tuned. All right, well, it looks like this there's a plastic trim clip under here that is broken. This one is still intact, but I'm not going to pull this off and risk breaking this one. So actually, because it's half off, it'll allow me to get some tape under there and some newspaper around it. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and scuff down this clear with some 400 grit, little tiny piece that I have right here, and clean it up and put some base on it, allow that to dry, and then put some clear on it. So let me get this scuffed. All right, well, it's all sanded down. It's all nice and smooth. There was like a chip here, and I got that out the best that I could. This is pretty level. All the clear's pretty much gone at this point, but what's left is it's nice and solid, so it's not going to peel off. So I'm going to go ahead and I guess tape this off. It's pretty windy right now, of course. Every time I want to paint something, the wind kicks up. But I'm going to tape this off and get it ready for some paint. Okay, it's all taped off, cleaned, and ready to go. And here is the touch-up paint I'm using. This is the same can I've had for quite some time, and it's pretty much gone. There's just a little bit left. But this is vermilion. And if you go back through some of my videos, you'll probably find the code, but I just got this on eBay. You can easily find it. Anyway, I'm going to give this a couple coats and let it dry, and then put some clear on it. One coat down, and this black part's going to be hard to cover, so I'm going to have to probably put quite a few coats on it. I got plenty of paint, so I'll go ahead and get this finished. All right, because this is not really covering, I'm going to go ahead and put a layer of automotive primer over top the whole thing, and it'll definitely hide that black spot rather than try to, use up the whole rest of the can of paint that I have. So one good coat, let that dry, and then I can do the base coat. Base coat's all done. I'm just letting that dry. Shouldn't take long, and then I can put a couple coats of clear on top and be done with that little project. Sorry I don't have something more involved this week, but I do have a much more involved project. I'm still waiting for a couple parts, and I should hopefully be able to do that during the week, and that video should come out next week. So appreciate you being patient. Trying to split my time between the Miata and the Ranger. So anyway, I'll let that dry and do some clear on top. All right, that base coat is nice and dry, so I'm going to give it a couple coats of this clear coat. This is what I have. I wouldn't use this on anything really larger than this. I've got some 2K clear that I'm saving for the Miata. But once you puncture and open one of the cans, you have to use it almost right away. So this will be fine for this little plastic piece. Get a couple coats on there, untape it, and then do the reveal. Stay tuned. All right, it's all done. Seems to be just slightly darker than the rest of the truck. I'm not sure why, because this is color matched paint, and it did match pretty well on the flare. It's not perfect. I ended up getting, you can see like a little run right there, which I'm not going to worry about. Point is, it's a lot better than it was, and it's no longer gonna keep peeling and deteriorating, so I'll go with that. Anyway, one more little project done. Stay tuned for a bigger project coming. So I guess that'll do it for this week. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you on the flip side.